Kinakabahan talaga ako because I don't really like checking my weight. But for the sake of my... No way, bro! No way! Hi guys, good morning. Today officially marks the 1 week of my body recomposition journey and it's weight day. So I have to take my weight. Literally, kakagising ko lang, naka-retainers pa ako. Before I check on my weight, I want to give a few notes on what I noticed after 1 week. So, first one, I've been sleeping really better. Napansin ko na nag-slim down yung face ko. Notice ko din siya onti sa arms and onti sa chan. So before I check my weight again, my diet is egg and tomatoes in the morning, chicken breast for lunch, snack is an apple, and then for dinner, it's kimchi, tuna, and rice. May rice din ako sa chicken. And then, my workout for the first week was 45 minutes walking. So, my starting weight was 77 kilos. My goal is to at least lose 10 to 20. Kinakabahan talaga ako because I don't really like checking my weight. But for the sake of my... No way, bro! No way! Guys, I'm 75! Oh my gosh, that means I lost almost 2.